How many hours do you spend a week on your books? If you're a consultant or coach, it's probably more than you'd like. Between juggling clients, creating content, and trying to grow your business, the last thing you want to do is spend your valuable time on back-end finances. I get it. Managing money for a service-based business can be complex. You've got invoices, payments, subscriptions, and maybe even contractors to pay. It's a lot to keep track of, and a regular bank account just doesn't cut it. That's why I'm excited to talk about something that can totally change the game for you, Relay Bank. Relay is a business banking platform built specifically to help you manage your finances more efficiently. Think of it as a banking solution designed with consultants and coaches in mind. One of the coolest features is its ability to help you create multiple accounts. You can set up different accounts for different purposes, like one for taxes, one for operating expenses, and another for profit. This isn't just about organizing your money, it's about a smarter way to manage your cash flow. Imagine knowing exactly how much you have for taxes at any given moment, without having to do a single calculation. It helps you avoid those last-minute tax surprises and gives you a clearer picture of your business's health. And let's talk about the ease of use. Relay integrates seamlessly with tools you probably already use, like QuickBooks and Xero. This means less manual data entry and a much smoother reconciliation process. No more sifting through a messy spreadsheet trying to match transactions. It's all automated, saving you precious time. Plus, Relay doesn't charge any monthly fees or overdraft fees, which is a big win. They also offer up to 20 free checking accounts and 50 virtual or physical debit cards. This is perfect if you have a team or want to give a contractor a card with a specific spending limit. You get a clear overview of who is spending what and where. For consultants and coaches, your time is literally your money. Every minute you spend on banking is a minute you could be spending with a client or building your business. Relay helps you get that time back. It gives you the financial clarity and control you need to run your business confidently and focus on what you do best, helping your clients achieve their goals. If you're ready to take control of your business finances and stop spending so much time on administrative tasks, Relay is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.